Hello guys, welcome back to your first competition show again, the Volcano Trouble. It's gonna be 4 years old and season 3. It's gonna chance at the intro. Let's go!
I'm for elimination.
Huh?
I love the sandcastle, but this is real. But why do I need to for this extract audios? Before we begin, I know we bought a new one.
Hey, where am I? I'm at the every mountains?
Yes, we're in the mountains. And then we're gonna race every day in 3, 2, 1.
Well then, this is too heavy. I almost got it for you at last. Maybe Conga will help it, but this is too heavy for me.
Hold on, I think I can do this. Come on. You can do it. And
Hooray! I killed Wind before we can win. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. The volcano is about to explode in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna explode and die. The volcano is about to boom. Everybody, let's go back to the plane.
Shanina, the dun 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 dun. Hey yo, I'm crying.